I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Destiny and you are watching All Things Des. So today's video we are going to be getting into some details about my wig company. It's called Eyeminks. We are an online boutique pretty much. We have eyelashes, wigs, and we will soon have apparel. I'm also going to be launching some more cosmetic things on my website. I will be launching a eyebrow pomade really soon. As you guys can see, I have the laminated eyebrows, and a lot of people ask me about these eyebrows all the time. So I do have a recipe. I do have a pomade that I actually made, and so I'm going to be actually making those and distributing those really soon. So that will be launching probably in the next week or two, so stay on the lookout for those. They will be a really great price. I cannot wait to show you guys and also demonstrate to you guys how it works. So if you're interested, please stay tuned, subscribe, because I will be launching that very, very soon. Also on my website, I have resale units, which are units that are barely used. Like most of the wigs that are on there, I only had them on for the video, to be honest, because I get wigs literally every single week and I cannot wear all those wigs. So I decided to launch my business and have those wigs available to you guys for a very great price. They're at a discounted price. So yeah, you can go check those out. Most of all the wigs that you see me in my recent videos, they are on sale. I do have a few more wigs that I do have to post, so bear with me. I will get those up in the next week or so I can get some pictures for you guys and then upload them to my website for you. I had a few inquiries already, so I do have those available. I do have a lot on there already, so if you're interested, please go ahead and check that out there on the website. Also on there right now, we have our luxury eyelashes. So they're fox mink eyelashes. I have some on right now. As you can see, I have 3 different styles. Up here somewhere, I will put a little demonstration video and some pictures of how the eyelashes look. I'm gonna be doing some more tutorials on the eyelashes as well, so you guys can see them on my eyes. And pretty much in most of all the pictures that I have, all the videos, I do have these eyelashes on. So I have been really, promoting them, but not really kind of explicitly. So I'm gonna be doing some dedicated videos for my eyelashes as well, so I can show you guys how beautiful they are, because I'm honestly in love with everything that's on my shop. Literally, hands down, if I wasn't myself, I would be purchasing these items. So I only invest in the best, okay? Also, I have my luxury collection, which are my luxury wigs, and these wigs come pre-customized already. So out of the box, they look like this. They're ready for you to install. I also have a lot of videos here on my YouTube channel showing you guys how to install wigs from start to finish, and I will be doing some videos as well featuring my wigs and how I install them from beginning to finish. So I do have a few videos like that on my channel. I will link you guys to those in the description box, and I will be doing more content featuring the wigs that are a part of my brand on this channel as well. After this video, I'm going to be launching this wig right here. Her name is Simone, and she is a body wave wig. I'm going to be giving you guys some more details on her. She is also in 180 and 250% Disney, from 14 inches all the way up to 30 inches. So this particular unit right here that I have in front of me is 250% density, HD lace. All of my wigs are HD lace, and also she is 30 inches and she's body wave. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a little twirl. I'm going to be showing you guys in a video how she looks and everything like that. So I will give you guys some details on her. She's a 13x4 as well. So if you guys are into full lace front wigs, this is not full, but like, the 13x4s, this is a 13x4. I do have 5x5s. I do have a couple more 5x5s that I will be launching pretty soon. So we have about 5 more wigs I'm going to be launching on the website, and I will get you guys that content. So I'm so excited today to show you guys the unboxing of everything and how everything comes, because I spent a lot of time on this, and you guys, it took me a while because I wanted things to be perfect. I didn't want to put anything out there that was going to be ugly, and I just wanted to start all the way over. So I didn't want to start over. I want to only enhance, and so I'm going to be showing you guys that in the video today. Also with my shipping materials, I had a lot of help from my sister. She's very crafty, so I did buy the blank boxes. They're chocolate brown because my colors are like the chocolate, the golds, the browns, and you know, just the tans, really luxurious colors. So I have a chocolate box. My sister was able to embroider my name on the box. As you can see in the video, I'm going to be showing you guys the box and how it's embroidered. Also, I have like the little baggies. Those have my name on it as well. I do have like the little, what are those called? I do have the little bands that go around your lace so that you can lay it down. Your lace can be secured. That comes in the packaging. So I'm going to get all those things and show you guys. Yeah, so all that comes in the package. I'm going to be showing you guys right now everything that comes in the package. And then I also have some clips for you guys so you can see. So this pretty bag right here is our silk bag, silk satin bag that the hair comes in. It's embroidered with my logo on it, Eyeminks. And it's really pretty, you guys. You guys can see here, it's really, really pretty. I have a large one and then I have a smaller one. It depends on what kind of wig you order. Some wigs are thicker than others, so that's why I have two sizes. And so this is the bag, and you can reuse it. I like to keep mine to put my wig in it. Inside, also it comes with this edge brush, and it has like the little rat tail piece. And then it also has the little edge part, so you can do your baby hairs. So this is like a 2-for-1, and I use this all the time. So this is part of the packaging as well. You also get, with the wig, you get a band, so that elastic band with my logo embroidered on it, so that you guys can melt that lace. So these are really, really pretty. So they match my colors and the tones. I'll also give you guys a beautiful, 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 well, I don't give you guys this, you have to purchase this. So this is actually the lashes. So the brown baggie, the lashes comes in those, and the lashes they come in here, but this is a reusable box. So these are our lash books, and pretty much you can pick and choose what lashes you want to put in this book, and you know, you get 5 pairs. So yeah, and these go for $40. So yeah, this is the lash book. They don't have any lashes in them yet because, like I said, these kids, they keep following me everywhere, so I couldn't show you guys with them with the lashes, but I will put some video clips so you guys can see what they look like with the lashes inside. Also, if you follow me on TikTok at Eyeminks LLC, you'll see some of the footage that I do behind the scenes. These are also our lashes box as well. So these have the pairs in them, and so this is empty. I was, you know, doing some promotional stuff, so you know, these don't have lashes in it as well, but you get this, and this is reusable as well. And I love these boxes because they're durable, and you can do anything pretty much with these boxes. You can do a lot with these. So I have those. I also have this little baggie. This bag are the lashes comes in these. So if you order some lashes, your the books and the pairs, they come in here, so they fit. So this is really pretty packaging. And then I have, like, you know, the little paper. So, you know, I was trying to hook it up, make you guys feel special, because you are. And then I have my business cards in here. And these business cards, you get them, I mean, not business cards, these are my thank you cards. So you get these thank you cards, and then you also get business cards. And the business cards look just like this, okay? So, all right, so yes, you guys, so the last month, it was really, really crazy, to be honest. I wasn't recording, I wasn't doing half of the things that I should have been doing. And honestly, I just started to feel very overwhelmed. Like, you know, it is overwhelming starting your own business. And then, you know, it's slow at first. So, you know, you get in your head a lot, but I know that things are gonna pick up. I had a lot of orders so far, and I'm just really happy to share with you guys everything that I do behind the scenes. I want to show you guys how good of quality the wigs are, and everything I add to my site, I put my all into it. So I really want you guys to see all of that and be a part of my journey. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and all of that jazz, because I will be posting a lot, showing you guys, doing a lot of behind the scenes. I want to do a lot of vlogs. I have not vlogged on this channel, but I do want to vlog because I want you guys to get to know me and really be a part of my brand, because I started it because of you guys, you know. So I do want to really show you guys that on camera, and I just want to be real and authentic with you. So we will be getting that content rolling very, very soon. This video was just busting it wide open so I can show y'all everything and then put y'all just in a position so y'all can really see what I have on my site. And you know, I think my site is beautiful. I did it all by myself. I'm so proud. Give myself a pat on the shoulder. But yeah, so I did my site by myself. I worked on that for several months. Well, not even several months. I think at the end, I had the site for several months, and it took me about a month to put everything together. So once I really figured out where I was going with, like, you know, my branding and how I wanted to look, it took nothing but like a couple weeks for me to just finalize everything. And it really took almost like, you know, a full week for me to just build the website in its entirety. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. We are going to just leave it at that. I showed you guys some beautiful content today, and I can't wait to be back with more. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, smash on that bell button, and I'll be back with more content. Make sure you go follow and like Eyeminks at www.eyeminks.com. Also follow us on Twitter. Haven't been on there yet, but we're on Twitter. We're on Pinterest. We're also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to have all those links for you guys down below, so you can go follow us, follow our journey, see what we have to offer, get to know the behind the scenes and all of that. And I cannot wait to share more. Okay, so yes, it's always my pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.